Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Breakcore in Bandlab. Breakcore is an exciting electronic music genre characterized by its incredibly fast and intricate drum breaks, often combined with harsh, distorted sounds. It's all about creating a sense of controlled chaos and high energy. Bandlab offers a fantastic platform with many powerful tools to help you achieve this unique sound. We will cover everything from chopping beats to adding effects and structuring your track. The heart of Breakcore lies in its drum programming. First, import a raw drum break sample into Bandlab. Next, use the slicer tool to meticulously chop that break into many tiny, individual drum hits. Think of it like deconstructing a drum solo into its smallest components. Then, resequence these small pieces in creative and often unpredictable ways. This process allows you to build incredibly fast, intricate, and unique rhythmic patterns that define the breakcore sound. Once your beats are chopped, it is time to add the signature harshness and texture. Apply distortion and bit-crushing effects generously to your drum breaks to achieve that aggressive, gritty sound. Don't be afraid to push these effects to their limits. Experiment with filters and EQ to sculpt the frequencies, and introduce glitch effects or stutters for unexpected sonic surprises. Adding reverb and delay can also create a sense of space and atmosphere, making your track feel even more dynamic and intense. Finally, it is time to arrange your breakcore track into a cohesive piece. Start by building sections with your chopped drum patterns, then introduce other elements like bass lines, synth melodies, or even vocal samples. Focus on creating dynamic shifts, varying the intensity, and introducing new sounds to keep the listener engaged. Once your arrangement is complete, spend time mixing and mastering your track. Ensure all elements are clear, impactful, and balanced, giving your breakcore creation maximum punch and presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.